Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, they're over and done with. And today, people across the country firing up their laptops or tablets, whatever, and clicking for Cyber Monday. Analysts expect online holiday shoppers to spend in record amounts. So let's bring in technology and market expert Lane Mendelsohn with us today to talk about this. Lane, good to see you.
Thank you so much.
All right, so let's talk for Cyber Monday. We know this has been around for years, and it seems like as the stores have started that creep with starting the Black Friday sales a couple days sooner, it looks like a lot of the online retailers have been stretching Cyber Monday well beyond, but it's paying off for them.
Oh yeah, it's paying off big time. In fact, I've seen several advertisements. They're not even calling it Cyber Monday, they're calling it Cyber Week. So they're really trying to stretch it out, not just on Black Friday, not just on Cyber Monday, but now it's become Cyber Week. And it's really paying off big for the retailers. You know, the retail sector had really taken a hit leading up to the holidays, and a lot of people were unsure of whether or not, the online shopping would be enough to pull the stocks out of the slump. And it really has, and the stocks really made a big jump today. We actually been forecasting the retail stocks to go up for about a week now. And it was just really nice to see some positive news, given the fact that the markets had been so weak leading up to the holiday.
I got to tell you, first of all, I have a confession to make for people at home. I did go out late on Thanksgiving. I walked into a large retailer. I walked out 20 minutes later with a TV for my dad. I didn't see a lot of people shopping that late, but a lot of people said they were going to wait through the weekend. So what were the deals that people were shopping for today?
Well, the deals were widespread, and I just want to say one thing. On Thanksgiving, the actual day of Thanksgiving, online shopping was $3.7 billion.
Wow.
Yeah, and that's up 28% from a year ago. So on Thanksgiving Day, you may have been one of the only people in there shopping in the brick and mortar, but people were online shopping in a big way. The Black Friday record sales, I mean, this was a record that we hadn't seen before for online sales. It was $6.22 billion, which was up 23% from a year ago. So that's a big jump there. The big thing that I think a lot of people are talking about or thinking about is the smartphone sales. So there was over $2 billion in sales stemming from smartphones on Black Friday.
So people pulling out their phones and buying them right off the phone.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're right, foot traffic has decreased, but it's been more than made up for by online shopping, both on Black Friday and Cyber Monday.
Well, I'll tell you what, that's one thing a lot of people in my family had said at Thanksgiving dinner is they just assume people are buying more online now, and obviously we're seeing that play out. Lane, we got to go, but I appreciate your insight. Lane Mendelsohn from VantagePoint AON, thanks for joining us tonight.
Thank you so much.